Okay.
Oh my gosh, y'all, man. Y'all don't understand. I'm so stressed. I'm supposed to be an empower. I'm supposed to help people when I don't even want to be here.
You need a therapist.
A therapist. I guess. How are you feeling today? How am I feeling? Ding dong! Must be my therapist that I ordered. No stress, no mess. No stress, no mess. No stress, no mess. No stress, no mess.
Okay.
No stress, no mess. No stress, no mess. No stress, no mess.
No stress, no mess. We too blessed to be stressed. We don't need more stress. We grind in to get the check. Mental health, yeah, we need it. And it has to be addressed. We have no fear of failure. We grind in to get a check. Build a brick by brick. We trying to see what's next.
Okay.
Mental health is the rest. But we don't need no depress. I'm on my way to the therapist and working for success. No stress, no mess. I gotta get it off my chest. Time still sticking. Yo, we getting it in. No stress, so I went and bought a Benz.